But you can get there by public transportation.
But I don't have a car.
Oke, dia barusan bilang, I don't have a car. Pertanyaannya apakah kita bisa hilangkan atau drop artikel e di situ seperti bahasa Indonesia. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kan kita cukup bilang, saya tidak punya mobil tanpa bilang sebuah gitu. Bagaimana dalam bahasa Inggris? Misalnya di dalam konteks informal, percakapan sehari-hari. Do you know that in Indonesian language, in an informal conversation, we don't have to use article en, sebuah, yeah, like what you said, but I don't have a car. In Indonesian language, we just simply say, I don't have a car. That's it. Does it apply in English language as well?
No, it doesn't. Yeah, we keep the article, whether it's formal or informal. It's always used to describe a singular noun.
No native speaker drops it, like, no, I don't have a car.
No, that would sound rather strange. Yeah, it would sound like a foreigner, basically,
Right.
if you did that.
So, jelas ya. Nah, sekarang kita bahas lebih lanjut mengenai penggunaan en, dan de atau tanpa artikel. First, bagaimana menggunakan e?
We use a before singular countable nouns with consonant sounds. So, for example, I might say, oh, look, there is a cat.
A cat, consonant k, yeah, k, right.
Yeah, we use an before singular countable nouns with vowel sounds. So I might say, oh, I think I might need an umbrella.
Kita gunakan en untuk kata benda tunggal dan suaranya itu hidup. Ini ingat suaranya, umbrella, an umbrella. Okay, next. How do we use the?
Well, we use the before nouns that we have already mentioned. So I might say, oh, look, there is a hospital.
Yes.
Then I might say, oh, maybe the hospital is full.
Jadi pertama kita gunakan the untuk benda yang udah kita sebut sebelumnya. Jadi tadi contohnya adalah itu ada hospital, rumah sakit, dan hospital itu penuh. Gitu ya. Jadi kita ulang lagi. Okay, next.
Yeah, we use it before nouns when it is clear which person or thing we mean.
Yeah, for example, where are you going? I need to go to the supermarket. Of course, the supermarket is the supermarket that we mean. The supermarket that we know.
Yeah, we both know which place. So we might say, I need to go to the garage. Yeah, so there might be only one garage in that town.
Ya.
So we know which one he means.
Yang kedua, bendanya atau tempatnya itu kita udah tahu itu yang mana ya. Ya, oke. Next.
Yeah, and we use it before nouns when there is only one.
Ya.
So we might say, oh, look, I can see the moon.
Jadi benda yang cuma ada satu-satunya gitu, seperti the earth, the moon ya. Oke. Next.
We don't use any article before nouns or things in general.
Alright, so kita nggak pakai artikel apapun en atau de ketika kita menjelaskan benda atau tempat secara umum. For example, Martin.
Yeah, children normally sleep longer than adults.
Oke, which mean artinya adalah ya anak-anak siapapun ya, nggak spesifik anak siapa. Jadi anak-anak secara umum ya. Children normally sleep longer than adults. Adultsnya juga begitu, bukan pakai the ya. Jadi bukan the children normally sleep longer than the adults, nggak pakai the. Karena anak-anaknya ya secara umum, anak-anak seluruh dunia, maksudnya secara umum. Orang dewasa yang seluruh dunia secara umum ya. Oke?